The future of copywriting no one talks about. Everyone is talking about AI replacing copywriters. But the future of copywriting is not about replacing humans. It is about combining human creativity with AI speed. And here's the shocking truth. Brands that learn this balance will dominate the next decade. Those that don't will disappear. Here's a headline moment. According to HubSpot, businesses that blog and publish content consistently generate 67% more leads than those that don't. But the future isn't just about publishing more. It is about publishing smarter, faster, and with precision. So what does the future of copywriting really look like? Let's break it down into 3 shifts happening right now. Shift 1. Framework-driven writing. The future isn't about random creativity. It is about using proven formulas like ADA and PAS to build messages that convert every time. This matters because consistent frameworks scale across ads, emails, and sales pages. Shift 2. Personalization at scale. Instead of one-size-fits-all copy, brands will use AI to customize messages for different audiences instantly. This matters because personalized emails deliver 6 times higher transaction rates. Shift 3. Speed and testing. The future belongs to those who can test 10 variations of a headline in minutes, not weeks. This matters because even one word change can double conversions. But here's the problem. Writing at this level without AI takes too much time. That's the problem. It gets worse when freelancers and business owners are stuck spending hours on copy instead of growing their business. The frustration grows, and many give up or settle for average copy that never sells. But there's a simple solution. AI Creator Max has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails. They're all built on proven psychology like ADA, PAS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10x faster and stay ahead of the future of copywriting. Try it free today. Link below. Bonus tip: repurpose your copy across platforms. One strong headline can fuel your ads, emails, and even social posts with small tweaks. And here's a light moment to remember. If your copy reads like it was written for a robot, don't worry. Now you have AI that can make it sound human. Now you know the future of copywriting no one talks about and exactly how to prepare for it. This video is part of a mini course playlist designed to help you master copywriting for business growth. So binge the rest of the series to get the complete playbook. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and comment with how you think copywriting will change in the future. And don't wait until your competition takes the lead. Apply what you learned today and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com. Because the future of copywriting starts now.